Hello everybody, welcome to this week's catch-up video. If you want to see what I've been up to, then keep on watching. Hi everyone, welcome back to all my old time friends, and welcome if you are new. My name's Lexi. I started Crochet Beginners group on Facebook, and I also make crochet tutorials, and I also do a weekly chat rubbish catch-up video. Hope you're well. Well guys, I'm really sorry to say that yet again this video is a day late. So normally I do my catch-up videos on a Saturday. Again, I failed on that, so it is Sunday today. Huge apologies. I have just finished filming a tutorial for a crochet cup cozy that will be coming on Tuesday. Really easy to make, only uses 2 stitches, perfect for beginners, can knock these up in 20 minutes. I'm also gonna make a template, you know, like if you wanted to sell them or if you wanted to give them as a gift but without the cup. So it's like a cardboard cup. So I'm making the template for that, and it will be up on my blog with the, I don't know why I'm pointing at the cup, with the video for this. So I will hopefully be able to do it as a Google Drive doc. I'm not that great with WordPress and adding files, but I will give it a go. I will give it my best shot, and if all else fails, you can just contact me on my blog and I will email it to you. So in other news, I became a nan this week. Beth finally had her baby. She had her at the start of this week. She was a she. They were expecting a girl. It came out a girl. I used to work in maternity and I've seen it when they're like come out boys when they've been told they've had girls, and the other way around, and it's really funny. But she had a girl. They called her Lily Violet. She weighed 8 pounds 2 ounces. I keep wanting to say 4 ounces because Beth, when she was born, was 7 pound 4. Yeah, she was 7'4". Lily is 8 pound 2. Is that right? Yeah, that's right, I think. Anyway, I was very much, because she had her at the start of the week, and I wanted to give them time to settle in, and just to enjoy that little baby bubble and to become a little family and to get to know each other. And I was really worried that people would think that I was a bad mum because I didn't rush straight on in there to go and see them. So they live about an hour away. And I would have loved to have rushed straight in there and picked that baby up and snuggled her, but I just thought it's better for her to like have a little bit of time. She knows I'm at the end of the phone. Anyway, I went to see her on Friday. Oh my God, she is so cute. I will pop a picture of some baby feet. I don't feel comfortable sharing her face on YouTube, on social media. She's not my child, and so you can have a picture of some baby feet instead. Baby feet are like the best anyway. But she's beautiful. So Beth's got red hair. Her partner Sam, he's got darkish hair now. Lily's got quite dark hair, but I think it's gonna fall out, as sometimes newborn babies' hair falls out, and go a bit blonde because she's got quite light eyebrows. But she's the cutest. She's just content little baby. Beth is taken to it amazingly, like a duck to water. I mean, she's a nursery nurse anyway, but it's still a huge, massive shock, isn't it, when you've had a baby and they're like, there you go, this is yours now to look after, and you're like, oh my God, I don't know what to do. But she has been absolutely brilliant, and she looks fun bloody tastic. So that is my happy update, and I met up with some crochet friends on Friday for breakfast, which was really lovely, and the lovely San made this blanket. And if you have followed me for a while, about 3 years ago, I had a go at making this blanket. It was a duck blanket, and it's Pico crochet, so it's where you like leave a stitch. I think it's called Pico. Is it called Pico? I'm probably completely wrong, but it's where like you miss a stitch to make like a little space. I'll show you in a minute on this blanket what I mean. And oh my God, those ducks are still a sore subject because I lost my actual mind making that duck blanket because I kept getting it wrong and having to pull it out, and it was just really frustrating. Well, the lovely amazing San made this blanket. Let me get it the right way around. From her head, she remembered the pattern. It's for lily, and it says, I can't see if you can see what you can see because I'm looking through the holes. Twinkle, twinkle, little, and then it's got like 2 stars on it. It is absolutely bloody beautiful. And I'm so grateful to her for making this, because there's no way on earth that I would have been able to make this, but it is just fab, and I know it's going to be treasured for a very long time. So thank you so much, San. It's beautiful. The other thing I've been doing is my blanket, sort of on and off. So I've had the builders back in. So a few years ago, again, if you follow me, you knew I had an extension pot in my house, and oh my god, the builder, I love them. I absolutely love the builders, because they, like, the person whose building company is related. But they are absolutely crackers, absolutely mad. I had like nearly a year of them coming in at 8 o'clock in the morning, singing, putting like 90s, 80s rock tune. Oh my god, 80s rock tunes, singing along to that. It was all just a bit of a nightmare. But I had my ceiling skimmed in my front room because it had like horrible Artex ceiling. I will put some before and after pictures when it is completed, because I'm just going to decorate in there. So I've had them in this week, so I had to strip out my front room. Oh, it was all, and then obviously Beth had a baby, so it's just been a bit of a nightmare week. So I have done a bit of my blanket, and it is growing. But of course, now it's getting bigger, the rounds are taking longer to do. I need to figure out which is the front and which is the back. I always get this the wrong way round. Anyway, so it is getting a lot bigger. It should be 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is the right way. So I got to do, let me stand up. I've got the worst leggings on because I'm just feeling lazy. So I'm going to do a few more rounds of the cream, and then I'm going to put a mustard border on it, which is this colour. I did want to put mustard and gingerbread, but I don't know if I've got enough of the gingerbread, but hopefully that will be done soon, and then I can write the pattern up, and then you can all have it for free. What else was I going to say? I can't even remember what else I was going to say. So yeah, I've just been doing that. I've also been planning a bit more content. So if there's anything you want to see me make, let me know. I am back at work next Monday. I'm really scared. If anyone's been off work for long term, so I've been off long term sick for like 3 and a bit months because I've been quite physically poorly and my mental health was in the bin. So I got signed off. I'm a mental health nurse, and it's just all really stressful at the moment. And I got to go back to work on Monday, and I am terrified, which is ridiculous. Like, I love my job, I love my patients, I love the people that I work with, but I think when you've been off for such a long time, it's really daunting going back, and I'm like, oh, I'm terrified, and I know there's a lot of bank and agency. So I will soon be back into the swing of things, no doubt. But let me know what videos you want me to make in the comment section down below, and I will make them. Book-wise, I always do a little book thing. Book-wise, I finished Ordinary Monsters. Bloody brilliant. Loved every minute of it. Spooky, Victorian, like gothic. It is going to be a trilogy. The next one's, I think book 2 is out next year. But in the meantime, while we wait, because I do read a lot, I am currently reading Jamaica Inn by Daphne du Maurier. I can never say her last name properly, and I sound like a right Wally saying it. So brilliant read for spooky season. I am only on page 50, and I was reading this last night in bed, and she's just gone to stay with her auntie at the Jamaica Inn, and the auntie's husband, what's his name, Joss Merlin, he is scaring me. He is really scaring me, and I didn't get scared easily. I really don't like him, and I think that's the whole point of the book. Never read Daphne du Maurier, so I just thought, perfect, give it a go. I've also got Rebecca to read, so I'm gonna read this. I'll have this finished in a few days. I just read all the time when I'm not crocheting. So after this, I think I'm going to read Frankenstein, and then I'm going to read Rebecca. I have got the Atlas 6 to read as well, but I think I'm going to go Frankenstein, Rebecca, and then the Atlas 6. So if anybody has read Jamaica In, let me know what you think about it. If you haven't read it, I 100% recommend it. It is brilliant, and I'm only on page 50. So get down to your local library, get on your local bookstore, and get the Jamaica In. It's brilliant. I cannot recommend it enough. So that's it for the week. My Cut Cozy tutorial will be up on Tuesday. And that's it. I hope everyone has a good week. Big hugs if you need a big hug. And I will see you all on Tuesday with my Cut Cozy. Take care, happy crocheting, bye.